Welcome to Session 9. Every problem so far gave you the dimensions and asked for the area. Now, the GED flips it. Here's the area, find the missing side. An area formula is an equation, and equations run in both directions. Start with the rectangle. Area equals length times width. If the width is missing, divide both sides by the length. Width equals A over L. Area 126 square feet. Length 14. 126 over 14 is 9 feet. And look at that unit. The answer is a length, so it's feet, not square feet. The area was squared. For a square, area equals S squared. To undo squaring, take the square root. If the area is 196, the side is the square root of that, 14 centimeters. The trap answer is 98. Dividing by 2 doesn't undo a square, and geometry takes the positive root. A side can't be negative. The triangle is where most marks are lost, so watch the order. Area equals 1/2 BH. Multiply both sides by 2 first. 2A equals BH. Now divide. Height equals 2A over B. Say the area is 45 and the base is 15. 2 times 45 is 90 over 15 is 6 meters. The classic wrong answer is 3. 45 over 15. Forgetting the triangle is half of BH. The trapezoid follows the same logic. Height equals 2A over B1 plus B2. If a base is missing, work in stages. Double the area, divide by the height, then subtract the base you know. Area 96, height 8, 1 base 10. Twice 96 is 192. Over 8 is 24. Minus 10 is 14. Check. 1/2 of 10 plus 14 times 8. For a circle, area equals pi r squared. Divide by pi, then take the positive square root. If the area is 100 pi, then r squared is 100, so the radius is 10. But read the final question. If it asks for the diameter, double it to 20. A correct radius is still a wrong answer if they ask for the diameter. Sometimes, the missing dimension is an expression. A favorite GED trap. A rectangle has area 88, width 8, and length 3x plus 2. So 8 times 3x plus 2 equals 88. Divide by 8. 3x plus 2 equals 11. So x equals 3. But stop. X is not the length. Substitute back. 3 times 3 plus 2 is 11. Here's a two-target problem. A garden must have an area of 240 square feet, and one side is fixed at 16. How much fencing? Work backward for the other side. 240 over 16 is 15 feet. But fencing is perimeter, not area. Switch targets. 2 times 16 plus 2 times 15 is 62 feet. Step 1 was inverse area. Step 2 was perimeter. And always verify. Substitute your recovered dimension back into the original formula. It should reproduce the given area exactly. Then check the size. If a 200 square foot rectangle has one side of 10, the other should be 20, not 2 and not 2,000. Substitution checks your algebra. Magnitude checks your thinking. Your turn. A rectangle has area 48 square centimeters and width 6. 48 over 6 is 8 centimeters. Note the unit, centimeters, because a length is one-dimensional. Let's recap. Area formulas are equations. Run them backwards. Divide for a rectangle. Square root for a square or a circle. For a triangle, undo the 1/2 first. Solve for x, then substitute back for the dimension actually asked for, and a recovered side uses linear units. Great work on Session 9. You can now run every formula in reverse. Next session, units, and why square unit conversions surprise everyone. See you there.